Here's Nathan
Excellent.
walking with his train. Whee! And he's gonna run into the wall. Boom. All right, Nathan, can you turn it this way?
Come this way, bud.
There we go. Here he comes walking. Walking away.
Steering isn't so great, but hey, what the heck?
Well, you know, it's his first time.
Hey, you're trying to get it out of there. There we go. Yeah. Good job.
Yay! Here goes Nathan. Boom into the trash can. What are you gonna do now, Nathan? Just try harder. It doesn't go any further.
Go back the other way. Let's go the other way. Oh, beep. Beep. Here we go, bud. Go see mommy.
Nathan, come on. Hi. Oops.
Oops. There we go.
Here we go.
Excellent.
Whee! Yeah! Way to go! Give me 5! Give me 5! Yay! 5! Yay! Yay! Give the camera 5! Want to give the camera 5?
Stop that camcorder now.